Hello and welcome to this new video on how you can credit card login into the Kiwi Bank. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you won't miss any upcoming further videos. So now let's get started with the tutorial. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. After you have opened the web browser, on the top there is a search bar. You just have to go on the search bar, click here and type Kiwi Bank. And when you have successfully written Kiwi Bank, you just have to click on the enter button on your keyboard. After that, this web search result will be shown, and in the first web search result, as you can see, there is a Kiwi Bank official website. So you just have to click on the Kiwi Bank and it will send you to the official website of the Kiwi Bank. And in the top right corner there is a login option. You just have to click on the login option and this portal will be shown. Here you need to enter your access number and your password and you can log in into the Kiwi Bank internet banking service successfully. Your internet banking account or your online account and your credit card account is same. Most people get confused about that section, about that part, so you don't get confused here, as you can now successfully enter into the Kiwi Bank after entering your number and password correctly. And when you have successfully accessed the Kiwi Bank all the services, in the website there will be a credit card section. You just have to go into the credit card section and you can do anything related with the credit card. You can apply for it, you can activate it, and all the other services that is provided to you by the Kiwi Bank. So this is how you can easily credit card login into the Kiwi Bank. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up. Thank you.